Ghana's armed forces has made a monumental effort which deserves acknowledgement. The armed forces proudly unveiled and introduced locally manufactured fuel-efficient military jeeps, showcasing a monumental step towards strengthening the capabilities of the country's national defense. This creation further goes to show Ghana's willingness to incorporate the locally car manufacturing industry to our key industrial sector. So in today's video, we discuss these locally manufactured vehicles and go beyond the immediate benefits to the armed forces as we capture the aim this endeavor intended to contribute to the broader economic growth of Ghana by cultivating a robust local car manufacturing sector, including the production and deployment of these homegrown military vehicles. Efficient homegrown military vehicles, as well as uncover the details of this significant achievement and explore the impact these locally made jeeps are said to have in the country. Before we begin, as always, I would appreciate a like on this video and subscribe to this channel. Let's get right into it. Ghana has reached a monumental milestone in its automobile manufacturing industry and intended defense capabilities, with the introduction of a fleet of locally produced jeeps specifically designed for the armed forces. This remarkable initiative showcases the nation's commitment to self-sufficiency and technological advancement in meeting its defense needs, while showcasing its local car manufacturing prowess in the process. The unveiling was hailed as more than a ceremonial event. It symbolized the forward-looking and multifaceted approach to national development, aligning with Ghana's aspiration for both the enhanced security and economic self-sufficiency. Named GAMEJ, an abbreviation which stands for Ghana Army Mini Jeep, these fuel-efficient vehicles were designed by Warrant Officer Class 1 Awal Mohammed and is priced at 60,000 Ghana cedis. The jeeps are reported to be convenient for transportation within the barracks, and as such, each unit under the military command would be given one to run their operations, with its fuel efficiency being the main extra innovation to this vehicle as it offers convenience of the highest standard. The unveiling of these military-grade jeeps at the West African Social Security Activity (WASA) marks a momentous achievement for Ghana's automotive industry and reinforces the country's position as a self-reliant force in defense manufacturing. The vehicles, equipped with modern features, are tailored to meet the unique demands of the armed forces, ensuring enhanced mobility, durability, and adaptability in various operational scenarios. Local manufacturers working in collaboration with defense experts have successfully crafted these jeeps to stringent specifications, taking into account the challenging terrains and diverse operational requirements faced by the armed forces. The project reflects not only the technological prowess, but also a boost to the national economy by promoting local industries and creating job opportunities, with this locally manufactured car, which is very fuel efficient, saving the nation extra cost in purchasing high fuel consuming vehicles. As Ghana proudly displayed its locally made military jeeps, anticipation builds on the positive impact they will have on national security and defense operations, saving a lot of would-be cost with the fuel-efficient vehicles. This unveiling signals a reduction in the dependence on external sources and fostering a sense of national pride. Beyond the symbolic value, the use of locally manufactured military jeeps is a practical step in safeguarding Ghana's sovereignty. The armed forces having access to reliable and domestically produced vehicles ensures a swift and efficient response to security challenges. This contributes to the overall defense posture and the nation's ability to protect its borders, citizens, and strategic interests. The local production of military jeeps not only benefits national security, but also has economic implications. It generates employment opportunities within the country, stimulating the trust in the local manufacturing sector, and contributes to economic growth as well. While boosting the economy, reinforces the strategic importance of this achievement. As we acknowledge this momentous stride of ingenuity, stay tuned for further updates on the performance and integration of these locally made fuel-efficient jeeps within the armed forces. Let me know your thoughts on this fuel-efficient, locally manufactured mini jeeps in the military. If you like content like this, be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more of these. Also, check out this video next on other amazing projects going on right here in Ghana that will equally amaze you. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this video out.